On Earth. Where is Earth? Solar system. Solar system, you remember all the planets? My very educated mother just showed me 9 planets. Do you remember this acronym? I recall my school days. My very educated mother just showed me 9 planets. Means what? Mine. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and later on I think 10th planet is Earth. Okay. Now very solar system. Very solar system. Milky Way. Where is Milky Way? So पंखे की जरूरत है क्या?
Little bit hot.
A little hot? Okay. Maybe more air. Yeah. Okay. Where is Milky Way? Where is Milky Way? In the universe. Where is universe? Where is universe? Okay, छोड़ो यार. Okay. Are you all present here? Can I take your small test to check whether you are really present? Are you present here?